Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today I will be talking about Euro USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 15th to 19th September 2025. So let's go straight to our chart. So firstly, let's what happened in Euro USD on Friday. So as you can see in Euro USD, we can see a negative 0.000004 or a flat closing on 1.17334. So we can see a flat closing on Friday. So here we'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what I'm expecting for this week, and also we'll do the analysis and give you my opinion as well. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart here. So this is a weekly chart. We can see in this weekly chart a bullish candle with a small body and a big lower wick and a big upper wick. Here stochastic RSI is around oversold area, which indicates us a positive move. But remember, as we always say, we should not look for, or we should not depend only on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a 1-day chart. So here this is a 1-day chart. We can see a good flat sideways move in a 1-day chart. Here I have already mark some important support and resistance zone. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel. Click on the bell icon for more such weekly analysis. Here, because I have already marked important support and resistance zone, we don't need to mark any support or resistance zone. But here I am just showing you that this pair is in a big range. We can expect a good breakout or a good breakdown in coming week, in coming days. I guess in this week I'm expecting a move, but if this week doesn't come, gives us a big move, then we can expect a big move by the next week. Also, let's talk about my expectation for current week, what I'm expecting over here. If I talk about the closing, 1.17334 is the closing here. The direct support is 1.17168. Direct resistance is 1.17454. After direct support, there is a support of 1.16921 and then 1.16500. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.17882 and then 1.18202. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone that will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade forex market from India, then I have already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. I have also shared 20% coupon code for the first prop firm. You can use that coupon code to get 20% discount on any challenges. Also, if you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my forex playlist. Do consider checking that out. I have also shared a payout request and a payout proof from our first prop firm link. You can also check that video as well. So now let's talk about my opinion in Euro USD for this week. So currently in Euro USD, I am expecting a positive move in this range, that is 1.174542 to 1.17882. I am expecting a positive closing in this range. If you're looking for a negative move or a negative bias, then only go for a negative move once 1.17168 gets breached and a 1-day candle gets closed below this. Then we can go for 1.16921. But the major move will only come when 1.16921 gets breached and a 1-day candle gets closed. We can see a fall till 1.16500. Overall, my expectation is positive in currently in this week. We can see a good breakout if we see a 1-day candle close above this level, that's 1.17882. I'm expecting a closing above this, but let's see if this happens in this week or not. Also, what are your expectations? To let me in the comment section. And if you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.